Most improvement professionals do not fail because they lack motivation. They fail because they do not have the right tools, guidance, or structure. One day they are searching for a process map template. The next day, they are trying to calculate process capability in a spreadsheet that barely works. Then they spend hours watching random YouTube videos trying to piece everything together. This is exactly the problem SimplicityHub was built to solve. SimplicityHub is a practical platform designed to help continuous improvement professionals move from beginner level to advanced operational delivery. Everything is focused on making Lean and Lean Six Sigma simpler, clearer, and easier to apply in the real world. The platform includes free Lean Six Sigma templates, calculators, educational tools, and structured learning resources designed to remove friction from improvement work. You can access free templates for DMAIC projects, process improvement exercises, root cause analysis, and operational problem solving. There are also practical calculators designed to help users work through real improvement scenarios faster and with more confidence. For beginners, SimplicityHub provides a completely free Lean Six Sigma White Belt course. The course introduces the foundations of Lean, Six Sigma, DMAIC, waste reduction, process improvement, and continuous improvement thinking in a simple and accessible way. The goal is not overwhelming people with jargon. The goal is helping people actually understand how improvement works in practice. The platform also includes educational videos covering Lean, Kaizen, 5S, DMAIC, Lean Six Sigma tools, belt levels, and operational improvement concepts in a clear visual format designed for modern learners. As users progress, SimplicityHub also provides more advanced paid options for improvement professionals who want deeper guidance and structured delivery systems. This includes AI-guided Lean and DMAIC workspaces designed to help users move from a problem statement to a completed improvement project with more structure, less confusion, and better workflow management. SimplicityHub. Whether somebody is completely new to continuous improvement or already leading operational transformation projects, the platform is designed to support every stage of the journey, from white belt foundations to green belt thinking, to advanced operational delivery. SimplicityHub is built around one simple idea. Continuous improvement should not feel complicated. The tools should help people improve processes faster, solve problems more clearly, and deliver better operational results without unnecessary complexity.